In this class, we will review the Podia settings, the site settings, how to set up your domain name, and how to handle cookies. This class probably should have come before discussing website design, but I wanted to get into the exciting part first. In the upper right is a blue circle with the initials FW. The FW are the initials of the name we assign to the website, free website. If you named your website something else, the initials will be from the name you assigned to the website. To start, click on the little blue circle. You're in the menu that drops down. Now click on the account link to open the account page. On this page, you must complete your first and last names, upload a photo of yourself, and add your email address. Podia uses this information to recognize you and contact you. At the bottom of the page are appearances. There are 3 options, but Podia recommends staying with the light option, so we will. When finished, click the Save Changes button. The security page is used to change your password. To make a change, click the Edit button to the right and follow the directions to change your password. Next, click on the blue circle with the FW in it. In the menu that drops down, click the Settings link. You will notice several menu links on this page. Fortunately, we will only address 2 of them. The page defaults to the general link. In the Details section, add your store or business name and logo. In the Options section, select the language and time zone. The Podia branding and security verification sections only apply to paid plans. The bottom of the page is not visible, but scroll to the bottom and click the Save Changes button. Next, click on the domain link. Clicking on the domain link opens this page. Under Domain are the Podia subdomain and the custom domain. As you can see, the free Podia plan does not allow using a custom domain name. We will show you a way around that later in this class. For now, enter the subdomain name. It can be any name you want, including your domain name. If we leave it at this, your website URL will be whatever you entered, .podia.com. Next, click on Site in the main menu, and then click on Edit Site. That brings us back to your website page. Click on the homepage link in the upper right corner. At the bottom of the sidebar menu, click Site Settings. We will work our way down the menu, addressing each item individually. The first item is Homepage. When clicked on, a drop-down menu will display all the website pages. At this point, we only have the homepage. Select the page you want to be your website's homepage. Next on the list is Marketing. What you enter here will appear in search results and on shared links. It must be brief, between 120 and 160 characters. The site icon is next. This small square image, also referred to as a favicon, appears in the Browser tab and is used to represent your website. It helps users quickly identify your site among multiple open tabs. When someone shares a link to your Podia site or a specific page on social media, like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, this social image, or preview image, will be displayed along with the link. It provides a visual preview of your content and encourages clicks. Next is the cookie pop-up. We want to give our website users the option of deciding which cookies they allow us to use. Working with the CookieScript website, we can offer that as a pop-up on our website. Again, no cost. CookieScript is free for up to 2 domain names. The black box on the lower right is an example of the pop-up that will appear on our website. In the box that says, "Check if your website is compliant," enter your domain name and click the Scan Cookies button. Rather than doing this with the Podia subdomain name, I suggest you wait until we have set up your domain name. When CookieScript completes the scanning, it will provide your domain name with a CookieScript ID. Copy the ID. Enter the ID in the pop-up cookies box. That's it. The cookie pop-up is now functional. Earlier in this class, we said we would show you how to use your domain name for your website for free. This can be done by forwarding your domain name to the Podium domain name and masking the forwarding. Unfortunately, it is a little more complicated than that. All our domain names are hosted at GoDaddy, so I will show you how we handled it on the GoDaddy website. The steps are as follows. Go to GoDaddy, find your domain name, and go to the DNS manager. Click on Name Server. Ensure the name servers point to GoDaddy, not to any other hosting service. Click on Forwarding. Enter the Podia subdomain name in the box at the top to forward your domain name to the Podia subdomain. Make sure the forward type is set to forward with masking. Now, why did we do that? You could do it without masking, but when someone enters the domain name in a browser to access the website, the Podia subdomain name appears in the address bar. By forwarding with masking, the address bar will contain your domain name, which is much more professional. That's it for settings, domains, and cookies. In our next class, we will cover Podia support.